Hey, excellent leaders. You all know that we are in a season where unity is more important than it's ever been before. There is so much division, it's all around us. So at Excellent Cultures, we've recrafted and redrafted everything that we can think of. Studied the best cultures that are the most unified. I mean team players that are raising their hands, asking to be held accountable, not heavy-handed bosses poking people in the chest, forcing them to be accountable. This is a time where we need to come together as a team, as a company, as a nation, as a family, more so than ever before, and it's all about your culture. Culture is the deep stuff that really makes it happen. So in the North Dallas area, we have a wonderful facility. October 28th and 29th, we put together a 2-day intensive for leaders who really want to make it happen. The great news is we have an excellent leader as our guest presenter, Jack Hollis, the new Senior Vice President of Toyota of North America and Lexus, two-time national champion baseball player, Stanford All-American, is going to be there to share with you as well. So be there, October 28th and 29th. Get it done.